Bonjour guys and welcome to the French Review. I am your host, Monsieur Review, and today we are going to talk about Zootopia. So basically the story in a nutshell, it's this young lady bunny who dreams to be a cop, and she is leaving to the big city, she's leaving the country, her parents and everything, to become a cop rabbit, which is a bit unusual. So she is encountering problems to become a cop, and she tumbles into some weird investigation, which is basically the plot. Now, where it is very different from The Good Dinosaur, is that it's exploiting completely the full potential of animals evolving in a human society. You see, usually in animation, you get animals acting like animals, like Madagascar, or you get animals acting like humans, not even being aware that they are animals, like Mickey, Donald, and so on. Here you have both. So you have animals knowing that they are animals, but acting like humans. It's a pretty interesting concept, and that's very interesting because it's fully used. And when I say fully used, I mean in the imagination, in the concept art, in the town, in the world they created, in the interaction between the characters. Everything is both animal and human, and that gives a lot of laughs and a lot of also reflection about ourselves as evolved animals, but not so much evolved. So it's both funny and also you can have a bit of a reflection on yourself. Now, don't worry, it's still a Disney, and it's made to be fun and for kids. And God, this is so much fun. Very, very fun. And there's a lot of rhythm too. It's real fun, honestly, because it's not only a cartoon, it's also a good old 80s buddy movie with cops, like 48 Hours or Lethal Weapons. And if you love this style, you're gonna just love it. Maybe the little drawback is that it's not very original. As I just said, if you've seen your fair share of Lethal Weapon or 48 Hours of this kind of movies, you're gonna see things coming from pretty far. But you know what? This is just being picky. Forget what I just said. Yes, it's a bit predictable, but it's not even why you're going there. You're going there for fun, and that's what you're getting. Now, let me ask you, what do you love about Disney movies? The characters, right? They are all very cute or mean, but they are all very effective and well written, and the interaction between them is perfect, especially between the rabbit and the fox. They just don't get along, but they do get along, just like an old cop buddy movie, as I said. And all the supporting characters are perfect too. From the smallest, cutest one to the big, threatening one, they all work very well as a universe too. Plus there are many references to grown-up movies like The Godfather and so on, but I won't spoil anything. So this is really fun for everyone. So that's it, guys. I really love Zootopia, as you could understand. It's filled with details, imagination, fun, thrills, a bit predictable too, as I said, but never mind. It's just going to be on your shelves with the best ones, just like Princess and the Frog, and you're gonna want to watch it again to see just every little details and laugh with your kids or alone, if you're alone. Well, anyway, go see it. You're gonna just love it. Trust me. Once you've seen it, come here, come on there. Let's talk movies. That's why I'm doing this. I want to talk movies with you guys. So come on and click, and I'll see you soon. Bisous.